guys, I got the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. It's got a 24x8 4K video, 12 MP photo, and it's got a 30-minute flight time. Pretty good. I'm gonna open this. Let's see what we got in the box. Here's the box. Let's see what we have. Wow. So we have the drone, the remote. I guess this is the battery. This will be the battery. Yep. It looks like this is, oh no, it's the charger. This is the charger right here. I think this is the charger. Right here, this is the charger. And then it comes with the power wire. Here's a remote. Pretty solid remote. I like it. Very solid. I like it. What's this? Okay, let's open up this. Oh, these are the cables to charge the device. I guess to connect it here with your phone. What's this? Here we go. These are propellers. Pretty neat. Where's the battery? Wow. This is solid heavy. Very heavy. Pretty nice. Stay tuned. I'm gonna fly this and so you could check it out. Now we have the batteries charging. As you can see, it's when the light turns off, that means it's fully charged. And then that's connected with the power cable down there. It's charging, as you can see. So now we have it charging. Stay tuned. We're gonna fly this out.